Welcome. I'm Mike Stoddard, owner of Accent Imaging in Raleigh, North Carolina. My name is Mike Stoddard, and I'm the owner of Accent Imaging. We have 3 locations in North Carolina. Our home office is in Raleigh, which is where we are right now, and we have an office in Hickory, North Carolina, and an office in Charlotte, North Carolina. All 3 locations have print operations as well as equipment operations. Hickory, I think we've been there since 1993, and in Charlotte, we just opened last year in 2019. So originally we were a location of the Sharp Company, which was based in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And we opened the Raleigh location in 1984. I joined the company in 1985. I was 18 right out of high school and just answered ad in the paper for a company looking for a delivery driver. And so this was my first full-time job. I basically started doing different things within the company. We grew the business over the next couple of years. Then we were acquired by some partners who changed the name to Accent Reprographics. Again, I just kept doing different things in the company. In 1992, I became the general manager. We changed the name from Accent Reprographics to Accent Imaging in 1997. The reason I did that was because we were getting heavy into the equipment business. And the reprographic side is mostly just printing, and I wanted to have a name that focused on both the printing and the equipment side of the business. So we came up with Accent Imaging, Inc., and we've had that since 1997. It's worked well for us. In 2004, I was finally able to buy the company. It's been a blessing. It's the American dream. Start at the lowest ring and be able to move up, and I feel blessed every day. I think what makes us unique is the diversity of the services that we offer. We've been able to diversify our business from just dealing with architects and engineering and the construction profession to all types of business that have copiers. So accounting firms, lawyers, anybody who has a copier in their office, which is just about anybody. So that's helped us over time. It's nice to have different revenue streams coming into the company. We've been an RSA member for many years now. We're always willing to help other members, and they've always been willing to help us. So it's a great network of people that work together for a common goal. For me, the most important thing that makes a great company is the people, good people. And you work hard all the time to try to find the right people and make sure they're in the right place and give them the support and the tools that they need to be successful. That's the bottom line. Okay, that's enough for me. I'm going to hand you over now to Steve Riddle, our sales manager here at Accent Imaging, and he's going to take you on a tour of our facility. Thank you for coming by.
Hey, thanks, Mike. Hey, so let's go ahead and take a quick tour of Accent Imaging and meet the people that make it a great place to work. So we're here in the executive hall, and I just want to stop by here and introduce you to Chris Stroud. He's our VP of Sales. Chris, why don't you come on out and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Chris Stroud, Vice President of Sales. Work closely with Steve here to support the sales team in all functions of sales operations. Been with the organization 13 and a half years.
Great, thanks Chris. I know you're busy, we'll let you get back to work. Now we're going to pass through our bullpen and say hi to some of our sales team. Hey, so now we're in the sales department, and this is our bullpen. As Mike was saying, my name's Steve Riddle. I've been with Accent Imaging now for 4 years. My key role is sales manager. My main role here is to support the sales team, our specialists, where they collaborate with our marketing group to meet our customers' needs and help grow this company. So now, let's explore the rest of Accent Imaging. Hey, so here we are in the lobby. Accent Imaging is kind of divided into 2 divisions, AOA and ACG. On this side, we have our demo floor with all of our equipment. Over here, we have a training room and a business conference room. On this side of the lobby is where ACG has its demo room, along with our production facility. So let's go over there and meet some of those folks. So here we are in the ACG demo room, which takes us straight in production. We'll stop by and have a chat with Rick, who's the VP of Operations. Come on. So here we are in production. Let's meet Rick. Rick, come on out. Hey, Rick. Hey, why don't you introduce yourself to everybody?
I'm Rick Schmidt, Vice President of Operations of the Printing Division. I've been at Accent for 16 years.
Hey, Rick, thanks. We're going to get out of your way right now. And let's go on into production. right, so here we are in production, where we do everything from small format, wide format. There's a scanning solution in the far back there, and then our graphics department. Also, our couriers have a pickup and delivery bay here. Our average turnaround time for any job that we receive is about 4 hours. We can talk to Troy a little bit more about that. Troy, come on over and introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Troy Garner. I have been working for Accent Imaging for 7 years. I'm currently a production manager, and I've been in this position for about 5.5 years. I've been printing for probably about 19 years for a couple of different companies. Accent Imaging, I guess one of the differences between this place and other places is we focus on you. Where other places, we focus a lot on what the multitude likes. Here, we focus on what you want, when you want it, and when we can get it to you.
All right, thanks, Troy. Now, our next stop is going to be our scanning department, so I'll meet you right over there. Hey, so here we are in the scanning department. So some of the offerings from this department are on or off-site scanning. We have everything from small format all the way up to wide format. Another thing that we do offer our customers is a fine art scanner, which is really unique to this area. Let me show you it right now. Hey, so here we are with the Whitetech 36 art scanner. And it is unique to this area, and what it brings to our customers is the ability to take fine art, anything up to about 6 inches in thickness, all the way out to about 80 inches in length, and run it through the scanner without touching it. So fragile items or paintings or things like that, we can scan those at 600 DPI and then either scan that image into some sort of file format or actually turn it into a print. It's really cool. So that's it for scanning. Now we're gonna go right next door into our graphics department. We'll see you there. Hey, so here we are in the graphics department with David, the graphics guru for Accent. David, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey, my name is David Peluso. I've been here for going on 13 years. We do everything here at Accent in the graphics department, from paper printing, a lot of vinyl printing, general signage. We do everything from construction signage to vehicle wraps, large banners, fabric displays, trade show equipment, you know, pretty much everything in that realm.
Awesome. Hey, thanks, David. That wraps up upstairs. Now let's go ahead and head downstairs. Okay, so now we're downstairs in our operations division. Down here we have our supply chain logistics, we have service department, our network managed services group, and of course our warehouse and supplies. So let's go around and see if we can see anybody. So we're gonna stop by and say hi to Carrie. Hey Carrie, can you come up and introduce yourself real quick? So Carrie is the manager of our logistics department, and she's gonna give you a little bit of insight.
My name is Carrie Frierson. I'm the supplies logistics manager here at Accent Imaging. I've been with the company for 27 years. In my role as a logistics manager, I manage the flow of goods from purchasing, pricing, warehousing, also through sales and distribution. And I also manage employees that work within that department.
Awesome, thanks Carrie. We're gonna go over here and bother Dan now.
All right.
Take care.
Thank you.
Hey Dan, can you come on up for a second? So we're outside. Dan Razoff, he's VP of Operations, and he's going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about himself.
Hi, my name is Dan Ray. I've been with Accent Imaging for 14 years. Downstairs, we have several divisions. One of the divisions is the service division, which we set up, install, and deliver all of the new equipment. We also have the supplies division and also manage IT services.
All right, Dan, thanks for your time. We're going to head over to service. Hey, so here we are in the service department with Steve Norberg. Steve, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the field service manager. I've been here about 13 years. I oversee our service technicians as well as our installation team.
Awesome. Well, we're going to go ahead now and head back to the warehouse and also stop by our Network on Command Center. Thanks a lot, Steve.
I appreciate it.
Hey, so now we're out in the warehouse, and the first place we'll stop is our Network on Command, otherwise known as NOC. So here I'm in our Managed Network Services area. We call that NOC, Network on Command. So this offering really diversified our portfolio. You know, a lot of times you go in an office, you put a copier on the network, and then some other company has to come in and help. Accent provides that help. Our network services is part of the package. So finally, we'll stop in the warehouse, shipping, receiving, and there's one special thing that we have here that's kind of unique to many dealerships. So let's go take a look. So we're here in the warehouse. From here, all our shipping and receiving happens. pretty typical place. One thing that sets us apart is, everything's local. So we dispatch local technicians, local parts, local service, and local supplies. Hey, Jared, say hey. Jared manages all that for us in the warehouse. But there's one more thing I'd like to show you. It's kind of unique, and it's special to Accent Imaging, and that's our automotive center. Hey, so here we are downstairs. A unique part of Accent is our courier fleet and service vehicles. One of the things that we do is we actually maintain our own vehicles right here in our shop. We can change oil, rotate tires. I've even seen them drop an engine out and replace it. So the guys are well equipped to take care of our cars and the fleet that service our customers.